Unit 7, Mid-Unit Major, Calculator inactive. Question 1. Determine if each statement is true or false. 2.3 plus negative 2.3 is equal to 0. Negative 3.7 plus negative 4.1 is positive. Negative 2.6 minus negative 12 over 4 is positive. 5 over 2 plus negative 2.5 is negative. 72 minus negative 100 is negative. Question 2. A heron is perched in a tree 50 feet above sea level. Directly below the heron, a pelican is flying 17 feet above sea level. Directly below the birds is a trout swimming 23 feet below sea level. Determine if each statement is true or false. The difference in height between the pelican and the heron is negative 33 feet. The difference in height between the pelican and the heron is 33 feet. The distance between the height of the pelican and heron is negative 33 feet. The difference in height between the pelican and the trout is negative 40 feet. The difference in height between the pelican and the trout is 40 feet. The distance between the heights of the pelican and the trout is 40 feet. Question 3. These four numbers are plotted on a number line. Negative 2 over 3, 5 over 8, negative 3 over 5, negative 1 over 2. Which is the correct ordering of the number on the number line from left to right? A. Negative 1 over 2, negative 3 over 5, negative 2 over 3, 5 over 8. B. Negative 1 over 2, negative 3 over 5, 5 over 8, negative 2 over 3. C. Negative 2 over 3, negative 3 over 5, negative 1 over 2, 5 over 8. D. Negative 3 over 5, negative 2 over 3, negative 1 over 2, 5 over 8. Question 4. A. A dolphin is at the surface of the ocean. What is a dolphin's elevation? B. The dolphin dives 20 feet below the surface of the ocean. What is its new elevation? Question 5. Place each of the letters on the following number line. A. Negative 1. B. 1.75. C. Negative 1.75. D. Negative 2. E. Negative 2 1/2. F. Negative 5 over 2. G. 9 over 4. Question 6. A. Andre received and spent money in the following ways last month. For each example, write a positive or negative number to represent the change in money from his perspective. His uncle gave him $25 as a present. He earned $18 tutoring. He spent $10 on a book. B. What does 0 mean in this situation?